From beat making to chord building, a MIDI controller unlocks your creative workflow. So in this video, I've got the top 5 MIDI keyboards you absolutely need to check out this year. Whether you're producing at home, traveling with a laptop, or laying down chords in your dorm room, let's jump in. Kicking it off with the Arturia MiniLab 3. This thing is a total vibe. It's portable, powerful, and crazy versatile. You get 25 slim keys, 8 velocity-sensitive RGB pads, 8 rotary knobs, and DAW integration right out of the box. But the real magic? The software bundle. You get Analog Lab Intro, Ableton Live Lite, UVI, and Native Instruments plugins all bundled in. That's huge for beginners or budget producers who want professional sounds from day one. The layout is clean, the build feels premium, and the pads are perfect for triggering samples or finger drumming beats. Link in the description if you want a feature-rich, studio-ready MIDI controller for your backpack. If you want a more serious key count, check out the Novation Launchkey 49MK4. It's got 49 semi-weighted keys, great for piano players or synth users who want more space to play. But what makes it shine is the tight DAW integration, especially with Ableton Live. You've got scale and chord modes, an arpeggiator, 8 velocity-sensitive drum pads, pitch mod wheels, and more. It's basically built to keep you in the flow. You don't need to grab the mouse every time you want to tweak something. If you're producing beats, triggering scenes, or working with synth plugins, this keyboard helps you move fast and stay creative. Check the link below if you want that full keyboard feel without going full 88 keys. Now, if you're just starting out traveling light or working on a tight desk space, the AKAI LPK25 is a classic for a reason. It's one of the smallest and most reliable USB MIDI keyboards around, and it gets the job done. You get 25 synth-style keys, an arpeggiator, and plug-and-play support for Mac and PC. No drivers, no setup, just plug it in and start laying chords, bass lines, or melodies. It's a great backup controller for producers on the road, or an affordable way to dip your toes into production without blowing your budget. Hit the link in the description if you want a travel-friendly, no-fuss MIDI keyboard. If you love flexibility, you'll love the M-VAVE 25-key Bluetooth MIDI keyboard. This one gives you USB and wireless Bluetooth options, which is super handy for mobile setups using an iPad, phone, or laptop. It's got 25 semi-weighted keys, 8 backlit drum pads, and 8 assignable knobs, perfect for tweaking filters, controlling effects, or building your own custom instrument rack. Plus, it comes with a music production software bundle to get you started. This one's awesome for beat makers and live performers who want freedom and flow. No cables holding you back. Check the link below if you're ready to cut the wires and go wireless with your workflow. For beginner producers or students, the Donner Mini N25 is a surprisingly good deal. It's small, super affordable, and loaded with value. You get 25 velocity-sensitive mini keys, a light-up pitch mod rocker, and bundled software with 40 online music lessons. A huge win if you're learning piano, music theory, or MIDI production for the first time. It's USB-powered, simple to set up, and works with all the major DAWs. Whether you're in FL Studio, GarageBand, or Ableton, it's compatible out of the box. If you're new to producing and want something fun, functional, and friendly, this is a great starting point. Link in the description if you want a beginner-friendly MIDI controller that doesn't feel like a toy. No matter what kind of producer you are, beatmaker, songwriter, or synth nerd, a solid MIDI keyboard can totally level up your creativity. All the options in this list hit different price points and styles, so there's definitely one that fits your setup. All the product links are in the description. Go check them out and start building your dream workflow. Drop a comment below with your go-to MIDI controller or what you're producing right now. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more music gear reviews and creative tools in 2025.